Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I have another unboxing for you from Crafty. So let's get into it. Comes in a lovely bubble mailer. Now I believe that there are going to be 2 items in here. So much like last time, you'll be getting one unboxing today and one in a couple of weeks. So here's one and put the other one down. I'm not going to peek. Okay, so here we have the Crafty's Paint by Numbers box. You can opt to have these sent already on a wooden frame. Obviously they come in a much bigger box and cost a little bit extra. So it has got a little thumbnail on the side here. They highlight the fact on the box that with every order we are supporting artists. Tells us that inside we should have a canvas, paintbrushes and colours, and a paint pot holder. Very nice. So let's get inside and see how this looks. Oh, I've got a little bit of tape. Go. Okay, so we've got thank you for supporting independent artists. Please consider posting your art on Instagram, Facebook. So you can see there's their social media details. We've got @Crafty's brand and #Crafty's brand. And then you can get 25% off. So feel free to use that. I also have a discount code which I will link down below and in the pinned comment as well. So this is such a cute little box. So the box has got all of our details in of what to do. Gives us all of the information in there. Just so you can see, it's got how to start, things to keep in mind. They've got an online guide at craft-ease.com/guides. So I might take a look at that as well. Okay, but this is what we're really here to see. What do we get? This is so cute. So open up the tissue. Wow, okay, so we have our canvas. We have our, it's not quite a thumbnail, it's bigger than a thumbnail, but our miniature of our image. I went for a very graphic image this time. For those of you that have already watched my other Paint by Numbers video where I completed a horse painting, I will link that down in the description if you want to take a look at that, or up in the iCard. It'll probably be up in the eye. And this time I thought I'd go for something really bright and really graphic, because the last picture was really pastel and sort of much more sort of realism. So this tells us, it gives us paint so yeah, follow the colour guide, label each paint pot with a sticker. It tells us who the artist is, so it's Marla Gill, or Marla Gill probably, and it's Orchid Fantasy. Not to be confused with the Butterfly Orchid Fantasy that I already completed as a diamond painting. So we've got our paints which have been shrink wrapped, so no concerns about spillage, which is great. I wonder if these match up with DMC colours. It'd be interesting, I have to check. We've got quite a nice set of brushes. Let's look. So they look to be nice. got, oh, very nice. Yeah, we've got, you can see that one is just under a centimetre flat one, and then we've got 3 detailing brushes. Those are very nice indeed. They should be perfect for getting through this painting. Oh, what's this? I don't know. 2 little pots of something. I will find out. Maybe it's some sort of glaze or a thinner. I'll have a look. We've got our numbers for the paint pots. And then here, this is our stand that we can put together. I won't fold it all up just yet, but this will allow us to sit the paint pots in their correct spots, which will mean that they'll be quick and easy to find and they're not going to fall over. So let me see if I can find out what this is. Okay, so after a little bit of digging around on the internet, I have found my answer. So the clear, opaque stuff in these pots is what they're calling a brightener, and it says that you can put this on when you've finished your painting as a final coat, to make the painting shinier, prettier, and have additional protection. So yeah, that's really interesting. I did have to dig around a little bit to find that on their website. It was not a simple find, although yeah, it was there. The information's there. I could find it. So, and the only other thing that seems to be missing straight off is, according to the website, I should have received a hook for hanging it when it's finished. I can't find one anywhere. It doesn't bother me, but just something of note that it should have been in here and it's not. So let's have a look at the actual canvas. This is what we're here for. So it comes with a little sticker to close it up. Now this is a linen canvas, artist quality. Oh, lovely. Really nice. That should flatten out, no problem at all. I'm just gonna pop a little paperweight on that corner for now, just so that we can take a look at it on camera. So I love the fact that there is shading already on the canvas. That was something that I didn't have on the last canvas, which was from a different company. And this should make it much clearer to see sort of what is background and what is foreground. I will just zoom you in a bit and you can have a look at the numbers. They're very clear, even in the areas where there's quite a lot. If we look over here, yeah, I mean, it's a relatively simple image, so I wasn't really expecting there to be too much of a problem. Really, really nice. So we also get this copy of the image, which gives us the numbers again, so that if there's ever an instance where I have painted over a number and I need to know what it was, then I can go back and look at this schematic and all the information will be here for me. Particularly useful where you've got a very skinny area that you're going to have to paint, such as in the sort of lines of the leaves and the stripes in the flowers. So, yeah. I will leave that one rolled up. So, size-wise, let's have a little measure. I cannot remember what it said it was. I will check that as well. But the painting area on the canvas is 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres. So 40 by 40, and then the actual canvas itself gives us a 4 centimetre border going all the way around. So let's have a look. No, it doesn't have the size on there. Let me just check the listing and we will see. Right, so yeah, it is listed as a 40 by 40 Orchid Fantasy by Marla Gill, and I ordered it as a rolled. It's currently they're having a little sale, and so I paid £22 for this, and the full price is £26. So yeah, I'm going to be completing this in a time lapse over the next month or so, which will be up on the channel. And obviously, if you are subscribed, if you're not, please consider. If you are subscribed, hit the notifications bell, and then YouTube will let you know when I'm uploading a video. And you can always, I've got a playlist of paint by numbers videos, so if you just want to watch paint by numbers stuff, then you can find it all there. So I think I'm going to leave it here for today. I am really pleased with this. I think it's a lovely kit, everything that you need. It's a very reasonable price, and yeah, so far what I've seen of Crafties as a company, I'm really happy. I love the fact that they support their artists. Every single canvas that you purchase, there is money going to that artist. You are supporting the artist. If you would like to get yourself something from Crafties, I do have an affiliate link down in the description for this, and there's also a discount code as well if you would like to use that. So do feel free to take up those offers, and hopefully you will join me on my journey as I complete this canvas, and then we can do a little review and see what we think when it's all finished. And please, as I said before, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.